In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Perplexity AI API key. First, open a desktop browser and head to perplexityaI. This is the main site, and from here you'll access the account controls you need. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it, then choose All Settings. This takes you into your account area where developer and billing options live. Next, select API platform. If you're not already authenticated for the developer console, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and complete that sign in so you can continue. You'll land in the Perplexity console, which is where keys, billing, and usage are managed. Before you can generate a key, Perplexity requires that you set up something called an API group. You'll be asked to provide a name for the group along with your address details. Enter accurate information here. It ties your usage to the correct billing profile and helps avoid issues later. Once that's saved, you'll be guided to add a payment method. Add a valid payment method and purchase credits. Credits start at a small amount, typically $5. It's important to know that you can't generate an API key until your credit balance is positive. So complete the purchase and wait a moment for the balance to appear. If the key button is still disabled, refresh the page and confirm your credits show up. With credits in place, navigate to the API Keys tab in the console. This is your central spot for creating and managing keys. Click the button labeled Create Key or Generate API Key. The exact wording can vary, but they do the same thing. The console will immediately display your new key, which starts with the prefix PPLX. Here's a crucial tip. The full key is only shown once for security reasons. Copy it right away and save it somewhere secure, such as a reputable password manager or a private environment variable in your development setup. Do not share this key publicly and avoid pasting it into code samples that might be committed to a public repository. If you lose it, you won't be able to view it again. You would need to create a new key from the same tab. That's it. You visited Perplexity, opened account settings, went to the API platform, signed in, created your API group, added a payment method and credits, then used the API Keys tab to generate and securely store your key. You're now ready to integrate Perplexity's API in your applications.